Okay, friends, let's talk about twin flames and soulmates dynamics, and also might talk a little bit about avoidant traits as well. Everything out of my own experience, yeah, for you. So let's dive into it, I would say. Good. Soulmates and twin flames dynamics are both completely different, but they're both very exhausting, yeah. I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm gonna show you here a little picture of it, why they're so different. Then you will see. You can just pause the video for a second here. So here you could see, some of the big differences, and but one thing is here definitely sure, you know right away when you met them. You know it right away, because it feels, completely feels different, than anything else. And you know when you met your twin from your past life, it's just like you know each other. You already know each other, even though you don't, but you know each other, and there's such a familiar, safe feeling as well. But yes, there's also always a but, right? And here's the big but, that it has the runner and chaser dynamic, which is super exhausting and frustrating, right? And you also will know when you met your soulmate, which is more like, oh my god, I think I manifested you. Oh my god, same here. This kind of dynamic, right? So this is what they usually say, or what you say and feel, right? At the beginning too. You both are feeling this way, and both usually, so both dynamics, twin flames and soulmate things, they both usually end in a good way, right? So like out of love and compassion for each other. But both of you see it's not working, that's why it ends, and you want to just be friends, as you don't want to lose this connection to this special soul fully, right? Until you see also this is not working, or it just fades away, because one of you isn't yet taking care of it, right? And I've had them all, a twin flame, soulmates, yes, mates. I personally truly believe we have multiple mates, soulmates, a twin flame connection. And I have a twin and soulmates, and I even had once a narcissistic person, a karmic one and trauma bond once to deal with, which never ended luckily in a real relationship. So it's all good, but still was exhausting and frustrating and so on. But anyways, this is all a really long time ago, at least it really feels like that, and it's definitely in the past, and the energy is fully out with these people, as we both, all of us, have chosen to move on and not to go back to this anymore, and we have learned our lessons. But we still can talk to each other and help each other out, so it's also a good ending. Anyways, so I've had them all, and also a lot of people I know, and that's why I feel inspired to talk about. And all say the same. After all, it usually turns into a soul friendship, and then it fades away. It all has some kind of warrior energy, which ignites your fire if you're full fire for someone, right? But well, here it's always high and low, and it's all more intense, so that in the end it just makes us realize we just want a real slow love without such an exhausting dynamic, right? And this is also what all of us deserve, and a kind of love that is healthy and can calm our nervous system down, and a great co-regulation partner. That's what we all need and want, right? And not the kind of love where they just suddenly stop giving you the love, right? So they were love bombing you maybe a lot before, and then they grow cold and lack empathy, give you very little explanations, and reject you because they fear to get rejected. That's the thing. And these are actually then signs that you have been with a person who has some avoidant traits, because when avoidance got triggered, then start to suppressing their feelings. They fear to be rejected, so they are the ones who ended. Simple as that for them. And avoidance don't self-reflect, at least not deeply, because if they would self-reflect, they would need to face their feelings and problems and triggers. Also, I want to share that there are also a few out there who say, out of their experience, that with the twin flame and soulmate connection, it is really exhausting only until you have gone through everything. And then it's heaven on earth. A different heaven on earth kind of feeling and relationship than it has been at the beginning, with the first meetings. And to be honest, all good, healthy relationships, partnerships or work, takes work to be a team. And I do believe that it can work with anyone as long as there's love, connection, and the same values and idea of life and living. As long as you choose each other and you both work on yourself and the relationship, then it can work. But both people need to be willing to do it and give it some time. And if not, or nothing is changing, also not over your time, then move on. And another thing to add is that we may all think we just want, after all, a relationship which is more a partnership, right? And which is harmonious and easy. But what our soul really wants in the end is to create and have a safe space, a person, a home in a person you can build with, you can build life together with, and to create honest, authentic reflections of yourself through the mirror of your relationships, triggering all of your insecurities yet to be healed, because that's what our souls came down here for, to grow and heal more and to experience heaven on earth. A life that also never stops us to turn us on. We all came down here to live in alignment, especially with our highest self. In order to do that, we must face ourselves fully until the very last day down here. It never ends, this journey, this healing journey, and so on. So are you ready to awaken your personal power, to face yourself, to activate also your dream life? Then let's do so. And let's invite a soft love, a safe love, a grounded love, a patient love. A love that chooses you fully every day. Where you feel really lovable and good enough because you are. You are. And if I learned one thing about men after all of this, it's this: if they wanted to, they would. Believe me. For women of his dreams, a man goes to extreme measures, they say. And at least that's really what all of the men are saying. Yeah, so let's see. I, as a woman, even did the same. I tried, but that's not what a man in my field, wanted. So I learned as a woman to not chase and force things anymore. Just lean back, receiving, focusing on myself. And let's only settle, fall in love and partner in devotion and willingness, to grow together. And because that's what we all deserve, and that's what you deserve. So now start to prepare yourself for your true beloved. Do the work, go and really do the work. Get ready, so you can receive this person and you can embrace it also fully when it arrives. And pour all the love into you, and your soul projects until that day, and of course also afterwards. Keep on following your heart and your soul. That's what I'm doing also with sharing this message here with all of you today, because it just wants to get out there. So go do the same, go and develop a toolbox that helps you to master your emotions and nervous system and trauma responses, and start to embody as well who you want to be, who you want to have also on your side. And I hope this helps all of you. Share it with others who need to hear this truth here right now. And feel free to share your story, where you are right now on your journey, and what is the kind of love you want. And I'm here for you. I'm here. We're gonna see you soon again. Ciao, ciao.